he decided one evening at 5 o'clock, all his friends, they were a huge gang, they decided to have a cricket match. Now, when all of them came, they all appreciated whatever the Jack had. It could be the bat was supreme quality, the ball, the stumps, the belt, everything. I mean, it was amazing. So they were waiting to make teams. Some of them were good in bowling, some were good in batting, and a few of them were good in fielding. Now there were two friends of his named Zella and not Zella, sorry, was Ella and Alex. Okay, there was this Ella and Alex. Not very good. They were like, okay, they would play cricket, but they were excellent. But rest all were excellent. Now what Jack did is, he made teams, two teams. And after when they made the two teams, he realized he did not take Jack and Ella. And he said, not Jack, Alex and Ella. So Jack told Alex and Ella, you both will sit down here, since you all don't play very well. Someone is probably not able to play, is injured, then I may take you. So you all are like backups, you all sit down. Now this is the story. What Jack did, he made the teams for everyone and he did not include Ella and Alex. Now I have a few questions I want you guys to answer, and I want new hands to come up in case